I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video we're going to take a look at the OXO Good Grips Garlic Peeler. This cost me around $7 on Amazon. Aside from salt, if there's a single ingredient common to all great cooking, it's garlic. Garlic is awesome. But peeling the skin off garlic isn't fun. Some people will pick at it, some people will smash a clove and pick through the mess. Either way, it's work, and it will leave you with stinky garlic fingers. One option I didn't know about until recently are the silicone tubes where you can just toss in a few cloves with the skin still on, roll them around with a little pressure, and out comes naked garlic. This one is made by OXO. I see others online that are more of a straight tube, but this one has the best rating and I think I understand why. One, the pinched shape of the design helps keep the cloves inside while you're rolling it. Two, it includes this nice plastic case that's vented, and that matters because after the cloves come out, there's still garlic skin left behind inside the tube that you have to rinse out. And for this to be useful, it needs to be 100% dry. So if you're using this regularly, it would be a mistake to rinse it out and then toss it in a drawer to get all nasty. By popping it in this case, you can store it and it can air out so that it's ready for you when you need it next. The square case also keeps it from rolling off the counter. Now this does bring up a limitation of this design. It's good for around 3 to 4 cloves all at once, but after that, it becomes less effective as the skins begin to build up. At that point, it has to be rinsed out and dried. So if you're skinning a ton of garlic, this might not get you all the way there, but it's perfect for when a meal calls for a few cloves. That's the OXO Good Grips Garlic Peeler for $7. It's a handy tool to have in your kitchen. You can find a link to it in the description here, and remember, you can see thousands of reader-recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.